I am blessed. I am happy. I am worthy. I am strong. I am safe and protected. I am good enough. I am abundant. I am creative. I am in flow with life. I am confident. I am taking right action. I am energetic. I am positive. I am freedom. I trust myself. I am love. I am peaceful. I am calm. I am connected to the universal supply of money. I am worthy of making and having more money in my life. I am kind to myself. I am responsible. I trust my body. I am aligned with energy of wealth and abundance. I am thankful. I am divine. I am aligned with my higher self. I have released all the fears of money. I am whole and balanced. I am powerful. I am healthy. I am at ease. I am open to being loved. I radiate joy from the inside out. I am free. I release all my stress and all my fears. I am satisfied. I am living my highest purpose. Everything I need is within me. I am courageous. I forgive myself completely. I approve myself. I listen to my inner voice and feelings. I am living in the present. I am grateful for everything in my life. I choose to respect myself.